Hello, my name is Nagayama, professor of G-Size. Today, I would like to introduce you our lab. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself, then detail of our research of this lab, then attractive point of this lab, then what kind of a student we would like to seek for. My name is Nagayama, professor of G-Size, Graduate School of Advanced Integrated Studies in Human Survivabilities. A major field of study is electricity and energy policy, comparative electricity policy, then utility management, international cooperation. I graduated from Kyoto University in 1988. Then after I joined to Mitsubishi Research Institute, then had worked for 20 years. During Mitsubishi, I studied at Yale University and obtained an MBA in 1992. I also obtained a PhD from Kyoto University 2007. I also a member of a government council for the MITI, a Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, for the massive introduction of renewable energy. I would like to show you the examples of my publication. I was awarded for 2 books, two of them are for the renewable energy and also for the unbundling of generation and transmission. I also posted for the Nikkei, Japan Economic Journals for several articles. I also posted for the Electricity Journal or Energy Policy or Energy Economics. I also was a team leader of Cambodian project. This project title is the Project for Development of Clean Energy Transition Roadmap toward Carbon Neutral Society in Cambodia. I worked with another Japanese companies then to formulate a strategy for Cambodian government. I also was working for the policy advisor to Lao government. This picture is taken in December this year. I also had been working for the consultants to Iran government, or consultants to Philippine government, or Myanmar government, and also consultants to India, Orissa states for the rural electrification. So this lab covers energy and electricity policy areas. I would like to introduce the area that this lab covers. A renewable energy policy in Japan, or remuneration rates for HVDC projects in Japan, or policy coordination for massive adoption of renewable energy in developing countries. Besides these areas, we also tackled for the transfer of a commercial scheme for nuclear power decommissioning in the United States to Japan. We also have been learning for the simulation of long-term power supply structures and short-term power supply and demand operation in Cambodia. The software we have used is Stata for statistics and also Plexus and Leap. We also conducted interviews for the electricity companies. Examples of a student research topic is a comparative study of China and Japan for solar powers, and also regulatory issues of CCS, carbon capture and storage, then study of technology and policies for renewable energy introductions and grid stabilization in developing countries. This lab places importance in visiting for the actual sites. This picture is taken in Kyoto Keage hydropower stations last year. This year, we went to Hokkaido, Wakanai, then visited to the biggest utility-scale battery site and also a wind farm, and also for the CCS demonstration site in Tomakomai.
Hi, I'm one of the PhD students in Professor Nagayama's research group, and I feel very fortunate to be under his supervision due to his extensive experience in industry, academia, as well as various involvement in the government projects. And I think that really supports and benefits the transdisciplinary research approach at GSISE. For example, through the lab this year, I had the opportunity to participate in the study tour in Hokkaido, where we visited several renewable energy facilities and also the CCS Demonstration Test Center. And through the visit, that really helped to further deepen my understanding towards CCCS, which is my current research focus. And I feel very grateful for the opportunity, which I think wouldn't have been possible without me joining this lab. I believe the Professor Nagayama's research group as well as the school provide a very supportive environment, and I'm excited to continue my research here. Thank you.
So I'd like to introduce what the lab would expect from students. We would like to expect the students who aims to work as government officials or international organization staff in Japan or overseas, or as international consultants in energy and power field in the future, in areas such as planning and regulatory policy development. We also welcome for the business person who have already started to work in the companies.